That's an ugly ceiling. We're gonna have to fix that. Alright, as you see, we got all the paper put down. Want to protect the new floors we just had put in. So before COVID hit, we had decided we were going to do a full remodel as far as all the flooring. So we had all the guys come in and do this flooring. So we're trying to protect it. It's only a couple days old. As for this ceiling, it's a really nice ceiling. It's looks like beadboard, but it's really not. It's like 4-inch strips. But now that we painted the floor, or redid the floors in a darker hardwood, it makes the whole room seem really, really dark. So we are going to sand it down and put some semi-gloss white on it, or eggshell white, that's what it is. Give us a little bit of shine, brighten up the room a little bit, and make it look a little better. Ceiling. I'm sure there's a tool that does this, but we did a lot of zip ties and tape. And yeah, ceilings suck. So we finally got this room done. This is the very first room in our entire house that we have completely remodeled and we can call done. The paint took a lot more work than we thought on the ceiling. It actually ended up taking 4 coats. We did 2 coats on the trim. We went ahead and painted the door black to match the trim. It turned out a lot better than I expected. My wife picked out the colors and was a little leery at first with black versus white, but I think it turned out really good. Let me know what you know. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you liked what we did and you want to see us do some more stuff, hit subscribe, hit the little like button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.